Wow! It's a vending machine of career figures. I want to buy it! I want to buy it! Wow! There are a lot of professions. I am so excited. Captain, let's put it together. Let's experience it together.
Hello, I am Captain Kiki. Please choose a ship for me. Cruise ship. Let's go, little captain.
Captain Kiki, the Princess Mermaid is captured by the octopus. Can you find them? I'll find the Princess Mermaid. Follow the map to find the octopus and the Princess Mermaid. The Princess Mermaid is waiting for us. Keep going.
Captain Kiki, we failed to catch any fish. Can you help us? No problem. Help me find these fish. Help me find these fish. Here are fish for you. Thank you, Captain Kiki. Keep sailing. Let's go. The sea fog here is thick. Be careful. There are so many bats. Let's get rid of them. There are so many bats. Great! You are outside the foggy area safely. Keep sailing. Let's go! Here comes the pirate. Let's defeat him.
I will get you.
Let's tap on the...
I will be back.
Defeated the pirate! Great job! Keep sailing. Let's go! This is the service station. Steer your ship inside and have it checked. Oh no! The cruise ship is out of gas! First, remove the lid of the oil outlet. Slide the oil pipeline. Let's fill it up. Our ship's been repaired. The destination is right ahead. Let's keep going. There is a storm. Be careful. Steer the ship to the nearest port. Watch out! The storm is getting stronger. The storm is even stronger. Let's speed up. Yeah! We are at the port. Tie the rope and secure the ship. You are safe from the storm. Keep sailing. Let's go. The Princess Mermaid is on that island.
The Princess Mermaid is right here. We need to unlock this coded lock before entering.
Slide the coded lock to find the correct shape. Slide the coded lock to find the correct shape.
Welcome, Captain Kiki. Mr. Octopus wants to make friends with us. What do you think of it? Really?
That's right. Let's be friends and enjoy delicious food together.
Okay.